You all are with your notebooks? You all are ready with your notebooks?
Yes, ma'am.
So as you know, in our last class, we have done multiplication. So I'm going to give you two sums based on multiplication. Okay, that you will do today classwork. Write multiplication. Write two sums in your notebook and start doing in your notebook right now. I'll give you 5 to 6 minutes time. So it's
Excuse me, ma'am.
639.
Ma'am, answer.
Yes, wait a minute, Arna. This is sum number first. This is sum number second.
Ma'am,
Yes, Arna.
ma'am, you get my all work.
Arnav, I will check and I will revert you.
Ma'am, because I'm sending you the all work.
Okay. Yes, Ahana.
Ma'am, that you are writing on the board, that we have to write in our notebook.
Yes, today's write multiplication, write today's day and start doing these two sums fast.
Okay, ma'am.
And tell me the answer fast. Dirk, we are revising again today also, so listen and pay attention, right? For Dirk, I will explain this one because he missed the last class, so I'm going to explain him. Dirk, this is ones, tens, and 100. We want to multiply 639 by 29. So we start from ones place when we multiply. I think Hansil or Hit has. Hansil, you are here?
Ma'am, in multiplication sum, we have to put first zero, no, of backside.
Not from starting. Then in the second, when you do the second step, then we put 0. Okay. So we always, if Hit or Hansil is there, he need to check. Hansil has sent me the work. Hansil, you are there?
Excuse me, ma'am. Excuse me.
Arnav, wait. Hansil, I have checked. I think yours, you have first done with 2. Then you have done with
What,
9.
ma'am?
Your multiplication, when I was checking your worksheet, you first have done with the tens place, then you have done with the ones place. Yours, that is also right, but you do the way I want. So please pay attention here and do it again, right?
Yes.
Yes, Arnav.
Excuse me, my fountain it is not coming in the notebook, so I can write with blue pen. My gel pen it is there.
Yes, please. These questions you don't need to ask in the class in the Arnav, please. Okay? You tackle by yourself. So we start from the ones place always when we do multiply. 9 nines are these. You know the table of 9? Tell me, 9 nines are?
Ma'am, can I say? What?
9 nines are?
81.
81. So, Dirk, I will put 81 together here. No. I will put 1 here and the 8 here at the tens place. 9 threes are 27. 27 plus 8. Do it fast and tell me.
Ma'am, 45.
So 3 will go here and the 5 will come here under the tens. 9 6 ja. Dear 9 6 ja.
9 6 81.
9 6 ja 81.
Ma'am, I can say
No.
54.
54 plus 3.
57.
57. So our ones chance is done. One's place is multiplied by all the numbers. Now we multiply the tens place, which you can see here it's a 2, but it's not actually a 2, it's 2 tens. 2 tens means 20, right? 2 tens means 20. So now we in place of this ones we write 0. Why we are writing 0? Because we are actually multiplying the numbers with the 20. So we write 0 here. Now we multiplied these 639 by 2. Got it? That is why we are writing here 0, because we actually multiplying this 639 by 20. Okay. So instead of multiplying 20, you write 0 here and then you start multiplying it with the 2. Got it? And if you want to erase these carryovers, you can erase it. So now because you are going to put the another carryovers. 2 nines are 18. 1 here, 8 here. 2 3s are 6 plus 1, 7. 2 6 are 12. Now, when you add this, after getting 2 steps, because we need to do 2 steps only. After getting 2 steps, add them. 8 plus
Excuse
5.
me, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, I can't see your screen.
Log out and log in again first.
Ma'am, can I tell the answer?
Yes.
8,500 and
Let me check.
31.
Let me check. 8, 9,
Ma'am, we have
11,
to
12,
write
13.
8531.
Yes.
Ma'am, put care.
Ma'am, it will come 18431.
Ma'am, excuse me,
Is
ma'am.
it correct? Yes.
Ma'am, near the plus, we have written
Yes, ma'am, it
1.
is.
What?
Near the plus, you have written 1.
Yes. 12, no? But you solve it by your own. Why you copying?
I'm
This
solving
I have
on my
just
own
followed.
only.
Yes, do it by your own. She was, Ahana, how you were reading this? 8,000.
No, ma'am.
Then,
18,531.
yes, 531. 500 and at 31, no. 531.
Ma'am, I joined now because of network issue. So what we are doing?
Just 2 sums I have given for the revision to do in the notebook.
Okay, ma'am.
Fast do it. Then I'll start today division also.
Ma'am, I'm confused how to do this multiplication.
Just now I explained Meet. Meet, you are not visible to me first of all. Yeah.
Ma'am, my favorite one.
I just now explained, start with the ones place. Whatever the number is here at the ones place, you multiply it with all the numbers.
I know the starting one, but then we do the second
Second
one.
steps, you put the 0 here and take the second number and multiply it with all the numbers.
Ma'am,
And
I
then
got
you
the
add this.
second sum also answer.
Very good. I will check your answer. Write it in the chat. Tell me the answer.
12,400.
Let me check. It is no.
Ma'am, it's 11,400.
Yes, it's 11,400.
Then my sum is correct.
It's 11,400. Yes, Deer, let me check. It's not visible.
Yeah, ma'am.
It's coming blur. Not visible properly.
Ma'am, see my Kavisha.
See, children, I will give you the answer to check. Wait a minute. I have given the answer to check. The first answer is given 18,531 and second is 11,400.
Yes, ma'am.
If your answer is this, then your answers are right. So
Ma'am,
can I
correct.
do it fast? I need to do the division also.
And my answer is
Can
11,000.
you adjust your camera a little bit down, up?
Okay. Let me check. Now check Kush.
No, ma'am. Up. Yes.
Mute your mic, Dear. Mute your mic. Dear, mute your mic, please. Yeah, Ahana, tell me.
Ma'am, my second answer is 11,400.
Yeah, I've written. Hmm.
Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, now we have to plus that we make his answer. Now we have
Yes.
to plus and multiply.
After getting multiplying both the numbers, you need to plus the third step. Yes.
Okay.
Plus.
Okay.
Mute yourself. Kush, mute yourself, please. So I'm going to, can I erase it? You all have done, noted down the sums.
Yes, ma'am.
Now I'm
Yes.
going to erase this. Please check your
No, ma'am,
answer.
I'm on this only.
Just write the number, solve it later on also, and check your answers are this. First answer is 18,531. Second is 11,400.
Ma'am, I got 11,643.
No, maybe your multiplication is wrong. Maybe you have done the wrong tables.
Ma'am, my answer is 11,380.
No, do it again
Of
then.
second one.
Do it again. Now I'm going to start the division. Suppose you have 16 chocolates. You need to divide it into two people. How many chocolates each one will get?
Ma'am, can I tell you?
No. Bhakti will
Ma'am,
tell
can I
you.
check?
Bhakti, you have 16 chocolates. You need to divide it into two people.
Ma'am, we have to write this in notebook.
No. Yes, Bhakti, you're there at your place or not? Janya, I want
Ma'am,
to
can I
talk to
say
you
she-
why you alternate days get absent,
Yes,
Janya.
ma'am, Bhakti Tumar is there. Ma'am, the
Bhakti.
answer is 8.
Yes, if there is a 16 chocolate, the equal distribution is called division. When you divide something equally to the children, people, means you are doing division. When equal distribution is called division.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, Arnav.
Ma'am, you said no 16 chocolate is the two people. I can divide it in the 8 table 16 where come 2 and the 2 table 16 where come 8. Their
Yes.
answer is
Yes. First of all, we revise the properties. No need to write, just please pay attention here. Properties of division. The same way addition properties we have learned, multiplication properties we have learned, same way we have some addition properties also. If
ma'am, can I say?
yes, Meer Virani, tell me, what are some division facts?
Ma'am, subtraction.
No, I am asking right now division fact, because subtraction we have already
Division?
done.
No, ma'am. Okay.
For example, first division fact is if any number is divided by 1, gives you the number itself. For example, there are 16 chocolate, you need to divide it into the one people only. So what is the answer? That child will only get the all the 16 chocolates. So when any number divided by 1 gives you the same answer. Jania, I want to talk to you why you frequently get absent and you are not sending me your work also in classroom.
Ma'am, I was not well. That's why I'm not joining the class.
Okay, but please send your work also.
Yes, ma'am. It's written. I sent
Okay.
it to you today.
Okay, if I take this bigger number, for example, 7,345 divided by 1 gives you the same answer, 7,345. 345. Got it? When you divide any number by 1, you will get the same answer. Suppose if you have 18 chocolates, you only need to distribute to one person only. So all the 18 chocolates will go to that one person. Yes or no?
Yes. Yes, ma'am.
So this is the division fact. When you divide any number by 1, gives you the answer, the number itself. Now we do the next property. If any number 2367 divided by 2367, if you have any number, for example, if you have this much chocolates and you divide all the chocolates to that, means the answer will be 1.
1.
Got it? If the same number is divided by the same number, the answer is 1. Got it? Next property is zero property. Fact is, when 0 is divided by any number,
I can say zero property.
yes, when 0 is divided by any number, the answer is
Zero, ma'am. Because we can
0.
yeah, because you have nothing. So how you will divide it?
divide it.
0. Next is the fourth property. Every division sum has the multiplication fact also. When 12 divided by 6 equals to 2 is the division fact. If we want to do the multiplication fact,
Yes, we can.
we can do the multiplication. Arnav, unnecessary, please do not unmute your mic. Write the answer in the chat box. If we want to change this division fact into the multiplication fact, so what we do, 6 multiplied by 12 gives you the 12. 6 multiplied by 2 gives you the 12. Got it? Division facts ka just ulta is your multiplication fact. So these facts are clear to you all?
Yes, ma'am.
Now,
Yes, ma'am.
if we want to divide 685 divided by 6. So in this number is called what? The number which is divided is called what? Dividend.
Dividend.
And the number by which we divide?
Divisor.
Divisor. And the answer is called what?
Quotient.
Answer is called quotient.
Quotient.
And the remaining, which is remainder. Remainder. The number which is remaining is the remainder. Learn the spelling of these terms also. Okay. For example, if I give you, divide this first in your notebook fast. And then tell me what is your dividend, what is your quotient, and what is your remainder. Divide this. Write the heading division. Take new page. Write the heading division.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am,
May I go to washroom?
Yes, please.
we have to do with the long method.
Long method. We are doing the long method only. Please divide this and tell me what is the divisor in this. What is divisor? What is dividend?
Excuse me, ma'am. Excuse me, ma'am. Can I drink water?
Yes, please.
Excuse me, ma'am. You write cursive.
Okay. Wait.
Ma'am, 65 divided by 6 we have to do.
Yes, please do in your notebook. Dividend, divisor, quotient, and remainder. Right, find out
Ma'am,
these
I got
four things. No need
Ma'am,
to.
I got
You keep silence. Let them everyone complete. Please complete this fast. Do it with the long division method. I want to ask the tables also from you all. Start learning tables from tomorrow onwards. I'll ask the tables also, because we have done multiplication, we have done division. Both are based on tables. So please start learning tables till 20.
Ma'am, I got the answer.
Let everyone complete.
Okay, ma'am. Excuse me, ma'am. You can up your board because reminder is not coming. Last one. Yes, ma'am, it is coming.
Do it fast. Navya, are you doing? Or you just sitting? Here, Hit, Varinya, Hanshil, turn on your camera, please.
Ma'am, I have done.
Ma'am, I have done.
Let me check.
Ma'am, your camera is off.
Log out and log in again. My camera is on.
Okay.
Please do it fast.
Ma'am, can I say?
Yes, please.
Ma'am, dividend is 685. Divisor is 6. Quitant is
It is not
low
quittance.
21.
It is not quotient, quotient.
Quotient is 0.25. Remainder is 111.
No.
Ma'am, can I tell Kavita?
Ma'am, can I tell the question then remainder you?
No. I want to ask from Div. You tell me. Div, you are done?
Yes.
Tell me.
Dividend is 685. Divisor is 6. Quotient is 114. Remainder is 1.
Yes. If your answer is like this, please check and do it.
Ma'am,
And
I am coming. I have correct.
Correct answer.
yes, please.
Ma'am, now can I tell the answer?
It is already written. Just check whether it is same or not. Now I'm giving you few more sums. Divide this. So children, this was 685 divided by 6, and you children told me that this is dividend, This is divisor. Quotient is 104 and remainder is 1. This is the information given by you.
Yes, ma'am.
There is one method to check your answer by yourself whether it is correct. Jania, mute yourself, please. Jania, mute yourself. There is one method to check your answer whether your answer is right or wrong. So there is one formula to check your answer in division whether it is correct or wrong. So you write dividend is equals to divisor.
Ma'am, we have to write this dividend
Yeah.
equals to.
Yeah, write check method. Write the heading check method formula. Formula means how you can check your answer also, whether it is right, whether it is wrong. Before telling to the teacher, you can also check your answer by yourself in the division. So how you will check? There is one formula that dividend is dividend equal to divisor multiply by quotient plus remainder.
Ma'am, we have to write a new page.
No, same page. The sum where you have done, no, there you can also write check method formula, how you can check your answers. Dividend equals to divisor multiplied by quotient plus remainder, right? So here the divisor means dividend is 685. You write in place of dividend, write the dividend value. In place of divisor, write the divisor value. Put the multiplication right, write the quotient which is 114. Then write plus sign, then remainder is 1. So when you solve this, 6 multiplied by Ahana, Navya, I want everyone to look here. If you don't understand, then you will not able to do it. So in place of dividend, you have written the dividend value. In place of divisor, you have written what is the divisor. Put the multiplication sign. Then quotient is 114. Remainder is 1. Till here it is clear? Show me thumbs up.
Yes, ma'am.
What you need to do now, you need to solve this part. No need to touch this part. When you solve this part, 6 multiplied by 114, when you do plus 1, your answer should come as same as dividend. Just multiply it and tell me whether it is coming or not. Ahana, you just sitting. Please give me the answer after multiplying plus remainder. Are you getting 685 or not? Children, you are getting 685 by doing this side?
Yes,
If
ma'am.
you are getting 685 and your dividend is
Yes,
also
ma'am.
685, means your answer is correct.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, I got.
Got it? How to check your answer? Your dividend and your this side answer after solving this should come same. If it is coming same, means your answer is correct. Got it? If it is not coming same, means your answer is not correct. So please do this divisor multiply by quotient plus remainder. So whatever the divisor, whatever the quotient, then you add the remainder, solve this side. If both the sides are same, then your answer is correct. Now
Okay,
I
ma'am.
want to solve some word problems.
Yes, ma'am. It's coming 685.
Yes. Wait a minute.
can drink water. Excuse me, ma'am, I can drink water.
Yes, please go. Children, please keep water bottle along with you when you do your class, attend your classes, no? Please keep water bottles with you. In multiplication, you have done that when it is given for one and you are need to find out for many, you were doing the multiplication, right? If it is given for many, for example, if we'll do the word problem based on the division. If it is given for many, sorry, for example, the price of, so for example, yes, no need to write, just listen. In a school, total 2,500 students. Okay, in a school, there are total 2,500 students in 9 classes. How many students in one class? How many students in one class? So how you will find out when it is given the total there in a school, there are 2,500 students and there are 9 classes. So how many students in one class? Mohammed, mute yourself. So there are total 2,500 students and in 9 classes. How many students in one class? So you need to find out for one. What you will do?
Ma'am, we will divide 9 from 2,500.
Yes, we
Yes, ma'am.
divide 2,500 by
9.
So the 2,500 will be your what? Dividend or divisor?
Dividend.
9 will be your what?
Divisor.
Divide it and find out and write the statement also for this.
Okay, ma'am.
Write the statement, solve it and tell me the answer. The remainder also,
Okay,
the
ma'am.
quotient also. Fast.
Excuse me, ma'am, I'm going to drink water. You can what do?
That's why I told you, keep the water bottle with you. To repeat, it's very difficult, Arnav.
Okay,
Because
ma'am, I take my water bottle.
I have given a word problem. In a school, there are total 2,500 students in 9 classes. How
Okay,
many
ma'am.
students in one class?
Okay, ma'am, I write in notebook.
Yes, and solve it. The 2,500 is your dividend, 9 is your divisor. Do the division and find out the answer fast.
Ma'am, we write this.
Yes, you need to write this and solve it fast.
Ma'am, we have to write the statement also.
Statement, it's compulsory for the word problems.
Excuse me, ma'am, it is so Karshu, I can don't understand.
Means we have to
Karshu.
Ma'am, means we have to write in a school total, that one also.
Yes, full question also.
Ma'am, your handwriting is Karshu, I am saying. It is I don't understand. Ma'am, I can.
Ma'am, may I tell the answer I have done?
Wait, which child is this?
Ma'am, Rishik.
Wait a minute. Yes, Rishik, you have done? What
Yes,
is your
ma'am.
answer? What is your question coming?
Ma'am, question is 277.
Quotient is 277. And remainder is? Remainder is?
Remainder is 7.
7. Let me check. No. Let me check. Navya, are you doing or you just sitting in a class?
No, ma'am, I am doing.
If everyone has done, please mute your mic, Rishit. Is everyone has done the question? So I need to solve this sum in front of you now. Done the question? Copied the question?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Nine in table of 9, 2 is not coming, so we take 25. 9 2s are 18. 15 minus 8 is, this become 15 minus 8 is 7, and this is 1 minus 1 is 0, so 0 will come down. In table of 9, either 70 or less than 70. 9 sevens are, what will come? Please answer me now.
64.
64.
Ma'am, 64.
63.
63.
Subtracted 10 minus this become 10 minus 3 is 7. 6 minus 6 is 0. So now this 0 will come down. Again 9 7s are 63 and your remainder is 7. So quotient is 277 and the remainder is 7.
7. Ma'am, the sum is right.
Yes, and please you check your answer by your own with the check method which I have explained you. Right? And learn tables thoroughly by heart. I'm going to ask the tables in my next class. So thank you for today's class. I'm going to send you the worksheet based on today's topic.
Okay,